What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another cute little hairstyle for you guys, quick and easy in under 5 minutes. So the first thing we are gonna do is part your hair from ear to ear. I like to have my hair in half, and I just do one section at a time. It just makes it easier for me. So I do the right side, and then I go ahead and I do the left side. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this piece away and detangle the back, and then I'm going to be using my pattern styling cream, and I'm going to brush this up. I like to tie my hair with either a shoestring or, you know, like a little extra bra strap or something if you have on hand. You could remove the hooks, or if you tie them with the hooks on, just be extra careful. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist the back into 4 jumbo twists. Always be sure to detangle your hair and then twist. Okay, now we're moving on to the front of my hair. So I'm just going to be doing some flat twists. Just parting my hair. You could pretty much part it however you prefer. I like to do this type of part. I like the look of it. So I'm just going to be parting and flat twisting my hair to the front. Okay, so once I'm done with the front, I'm just gonna go ahead and pin my hair, and always be careful with pinning your hair. Sometimes you could pin in an area that's just pretty much uncomfortable, so your best bet is to pin on top of the hair. That way it's not digging into your scalp or anything. So yeah, you could pretty much pin it however you want. I like to do crisscross. Y'all already know. I like to do crisscross, and then I'm just going to be using my Style Factor Edge Booster on my edges, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.